What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing some Nismo goodies I got for the R32 GTR. I'm going to be putting them on in this video, showing you guys kind of around the car a little bit, what's been done, maybe just a few updates for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get in the video. So here is the GTR. I got to clean it up a little bit, but looks really good, sitting pretty. So some of the Nismo parts I already have in the car, as you guys know, is the Nismo steering wheel. Love the way that thing looks. Feels amazing. I got the Nismo seat covers. Those are pretty sweet. Got the Nismo floor mats. And I also have some other Nismo stuff in the engine itself. But in today's video, I'm going to be installing just some Nismo parts. One in the interior, and then I got one on the exterior. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So here's what I got. I got these. These are Nismo door handle protectors. So basically these guys just go under in that crease right here just to protect the paint and get that on there, and that's going to be a nice little touch for the outside because I got the Nismo LMGT4 wheels. Just have a little Nismo on the outside, make it look a little better and protect the paint there a little bit. And then also I got these Nismo inner door protectors. So basically these strips here go on the passenger and the driver door, and they go down here on the bottom of the door just to protect from any feet hitting it and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's clean this up and get these Nismo parts installed. All right, so I just got done putting on the Nismo door handle protectors, and I do really like the way that looks on the outside. Just spices it up just a little bit, nothing too crazy, because I do like the outside of the car already. It already looks super clean, super good. But I think with the Nismo LMGT4 wheels, that just makes it look just a little bit better to match the outside. All right, so we got those pieces installed. Actually is really close. I try to get it as straight as possible, and same over here with spacing, and try to get it as close as possible. But I think that adds a nice touch to the interior with all the other Nismo stuff on the car, and just like I said with the exterior, with having that little protector there for the door, I do really like how that looks for sure. So I want to dial in on some of the other Nismo parts that I have on the GTR, and I want to dial in on my matte edition Nismo LMGT4 wheels. These wheels came on the car when I got them. They are a little bit dirty, and I do want to clean them up for sure. But these wheels, I'm honestly not a huge fan of black wheels, but I think on the silver car, it actually complements it pretty well. I do like the way it looks for sure. And then I just got these recently, because I was missing one of my valve stem seal caps. They're actually Nismo valve stem seal caps, which is kind of cool, and it kind of just makes a little extra touch that nobody else really noticed but myself, but that's okay. And I know a lot of you guys have seen these, but I have the Nismo seat covers in the front two driver seats, and there's also covers in the rear seats as well. I think this is one of my favorite interior parts in the GTR, just because it makes it look a little more modern. They look amazing. They look really sweet. So I'm glad those are on the car as well. I have Nismo floor mats there. I have the Nismo steering wheel there. I love the way that looks too in the car. And just some other Nismo parts here and there. And then I got a good mix of Mines parts and just some red stitching with black. And I want to get a leather armrest cover instead of the Alcantara there. I put that on, want to try it out, but it doesn't really match very well. So I want to get the leather one to kind of match it up really well. And I want to get the red stitching as well. And I love the way that I have all of the kind of the red stitching kind of accenting, because the main piece obviously is the engine bay. And I have a lot of red parts in here. And just kind of the red and black theme that I got going on with the engine bay makes it look really nice. And another thing that I do want to do in the future here is I want to get the R35 Brembo brakes in red, just because I think it's going to spice up the outside for sure, because I have the OEM calipers. And with a car like this making 500 horsepower, I want to get upgraded brakes as well. I'm not going to be racing the car, but I just want to have just some stronger brakes, just for some better braking, but also just the appearance aspect of it. It's going to look really cool. It's going to be a sweet upgrade to have on the car, just because as well, obviously the Nismo, that O is red, so it's going to match really well as well. So in the future, we will definitely be doing that. I also got this key tag for the keys for the GTR, and it pretty much matches with the carbon fiber and the Nismo there. So that kind of adds to it as well, which is pretty cool. So this is the way the GTR sits right now. There are still some things that I want to do with the car. I'm having a titanium intake being made, so that'll make the engine bay look just a little bit better for sure. I'm very excited for that. And another update for the channel, I'm going to be making a more in-depth video with the GTR to show you guys all the stuff that I did to it. So I can do a more technical video, more of an in-depth video for any of you guys that have Skyline GTRs. And I know the R34s are being legalized, or they're already being over here now. So I know a lot of people are wanting information and just getting stuff out there. So I will be making a video like that here in the future. And for the interior, I'm pretty much done with the car. I love the way that the interior already looks, but I already have a Haltec can gauge mount that I have ordered. This one didn't have tabs on it, so it's kind of weird how you're supposed to install that one. It didn't really come with instructions. The only thing it said to like silicone or RTV it in, and I'm not gonna do that. I don't think that makes any sense. There is the back of the GTR as well. I got the Nismo badge on there. Looks pretty good. Got the Godzilla license plate. Everything's super clean back here. And yeah, I really like the addition, like I said, of these pieces here. So yeah, that'll pretty much wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any other ideas you want me to do in the future with the car, or any future plans or stuff that you guys want to see with the channel. Looking to expand here pretty soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.